Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you or teaching you on how to add stickers on Discord. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for stickers.gg. Okay? So now just go ahead and choose any stickers that you want and then just go ahead and download it. Okay, so let me just go ahead and choose any sticker. So I'll be choosing this SpongeBob. Click on download sticker, click on download, and then click on the image, and you want to save it on your device. Okay, so now once you've done that, just go ahead and open discord.com here. Okay, so you need to make sure that you click on the request desktop website right here at the upper right left corner of your screen. So let's just wait for it. And then now just go ahead and click on the settings icon or the user settings at the lower part of your screen. And if you have the Nitro Discord, you should see the add stickers right here at the options. Okay, but if you don't have the Discord Nitro, what you need to do or what you can do is to just go ahead and send a sticker with your friends. Okay, so to do that, you want to open your Discord, click on the plus sign and choose the sticker that you want and send it with your friends. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.